Hello beautiful people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. As you already saw from the title, in today's video we will unbox the Lookfantastic May Beauty Box. This is my last subscription box and I'm not sure if I want to renew the subscription. What do you think? Should I renew it? This month the box is very pretty. It comes in this beautiful light blue color. Very nice. Okay beautiful people, let's open it. And as usual, first we find the leaflet with beauty tips and with everything that we need to know about the products that we will find inside. Let's see the spoiler product for the next month. It's from the brand Balm Pre and Probiotic Cleansing Milk, worth £8. Okay, now let's see the product that we have inside. And first product is from the brand Dr. Botanicals Kiwi Superfood Cooling Eye Serum. This is a lightweight, quick-absorbing eye treatment, which will soothe and reduce the sign of aging. Dr. Botanicals is a brand that I like a lot. I'm very happy with this product. Second product is a lip balm from the brand Burt's Bees Cucumber Mint Lip Balm. This lip balm will condition and moisturize the lips. I have very dry lips. A lip balm is always welcomed in my kit. Third product found is by the brand This Works Soothing Hand Cream for dry overwashed hands. Well, a very nourishing hand cream is everything that I need now, to be honest. And I know that This Works product smells nice. I am very happy to try this hand cream. Here we have a hand sanitizer gel from the brand L'Oreal. Purifies hand without drying out. Very useful item for these days. I know that this hand sanitizer is an additional product to the beauty box. Fourth product is a facial silicone exfoliating pad from the brand The Vintage Cosmetic Company. This pad will help to deeply clean the pores and remove dead skin cells. Fifth product is from the brand Comfort Zone Hydra Memory Cream Gel 24-hour Double Hydration Cream Gel. This cream contains macrohyaluronic acid to hydrate the skin and moringa oil to protect the skin's barrier and maintain optimal moisture level. Sounds great! And the last product that we have is from the brand eCooking Peeling Mask. This peeling mask contains lactic acid, glycolic acid and squalane to tighten and smooth your complexion. Well guys, here are all the products found in the May Lookfantastic Beauty Box. Very practical and useful box. I like the content a lot. Okay beautiful people, here we are on the end of today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!